10 Health Advantages of Laughter. A good chuckle is something that everyone likes, and it's a wonderful way to feel joyful and nice. However, have you ever questioned why we laugh or how it affects our bodies? Here are 10 advantages of laughing for your health. 1. Pain can be lessened by laughing. People who laugh frequently experience less pain and enjoy longer, healthier lives. People who have an optimistic attitude on life are said to laugh more frequently. The endorphins that are released when we laugh make us joyful, and the happier we are, the less pain we feel. You are less prone to suffer from severe physical and mental discomfort if your body is in good health. In a typical day, a person will laugh roughly 13 times. About 3 times as many children as adults laugh when they are 6 years old. 2. Laughing frequently can keep you healthy. Your immune system is one of the main beneficiaries of laughter's various health advantages. Your immune system may be strengthened daily, lowering the likelihood that you will contract infections. In addition to helping us expand our lung capacity, laughing hard increases the amount of oxygen that enters our bloodstream, keeping us healthier than merely breathing normally would. 3. There is proof that when we laugh, our stress levels decrease. According to research, following a hearty chuckle, the levels of stress hormone significantly decrease. This is due to the endorphins that are released when we laugh. When we are joyful, endorphins are released, and they can alter a person's mentality for the better. 4. Laughing for 10 to 15 minutes each day can aid with weight loss. Because laughing is equivalent to exercising, it burns calories. Endorphins are released, and our heart rate and blood pressure increase. Laughing burns calories, according to a Vanderbilt University Medical Center study. Their findings demonstrated that 10 to 15 minutes of laughing can burn between 10 and 40 calories. 5. People who laugh are healthier. Even if you are uncertain of the context, you will probably grin if you see people laughing. This occurs as a result of our brain anticipating laughter and preparing the facial muscles to participate in the joy. According to a study conducted at the University College London, humans are known to imitate or mirror the activities of other people, and laughter is no different. Therefore, you contribute to the happiness and health of others by making people laugh. 6. You'll be healthier the more you laugh. The word gelotology is a Greek word that meaning laughter. Gelotology, or the study of laughing from a psychological and physiological standpoint, was originally examined by psychiatrists. Intentional laughter may indicate a mental health issue. According to his research, more immune system boosting cells are produced and are present in the blood when a person is laughing their heart out. This demonstrated that a more forceful laugh resulted in more immune boosting cells, which is good for our health. 7. Deliberate laughter can be a sign of mental health problems. Intentional laughter may be an indication of internal issues or insecurities. Your brain is able to distinguish between a fake chuckle and a genuine one. Your brain not only recognizes the difference, but it also responds differently to a fake chuckle. The anterior medial prefrontal cortex of your brain is more active when you can identify when someone is staging a laugh. This area of the brain enables us to recognize the emotions of others and respond to a phony chuckle delicately. When exposed to a false chuckle, it helps us to comprehend how people behave. 8. Laughter is a socializing tool. Many individuals mistakenly believe that laughing is a response to something amusing rather than a form of communication. The study of laughter reveals that it is a form of communication and a good indicator of our feelings for someone. When we are among other people and when we are not laughing at jokes, we laugh more. If we are alongside someone, our likelihood of laughing at something increases by 30 times. A chuckle can be used to convey a sense of surprise. We are able to maintain joyful relationships and good mental health because of this. 9. Your abs get a good workout from laughing. Laughing exercises your abdomen while burning calories. We breathe fast breaths in and out while laughing, which causes our stomach muscles to enlarge and contract. This indicates that we are exercising and strengthening our abs. 10. Our general blood pressure decreases as we laugh. Regular laughter can lower our blood pressure and lower our risk of heart illnesses. This is because laughing causes our blood pressure and pulse rate to increase just like they do when we exercise. Our bodies are subjected to fluctuating blood pressure and cardiac activity when we laugh frequently. We have reduced blood pressure as a result, which also lowers our risk of heart attacks, strokes, and other cardiovascular issues. In addition to being a healthy function, laughing with people is a natural method to communicate. Our immune systems are strengthened and our happiness levels are lowered by laughter on a regular basis. As your blood level is boosted when you laugh frequently, similar to when you exercise, you are less prone to develop specific health concerns.